want to do that trip in that case, because the only thing I cannot do is leave Rebecca hanging now, because I just feel like I have to do it.
Hacen dos programas, uno para una empresa de afuera, que son 4 días, y yo hacen medio overnight en Pelado, Gatú, casi área similar de lo que es el Melilla, más o menos. Y de ahí al día siguiente hacemos o kayaking o wildlife observation con los dinghies o por ahí, y al día siguiente se baja. Lo único que es que hay un puente de derecha para hacer pero sí, se pudiera hacer bastante fácil hacer. Tránsito se puede hacer tours aquí cerca, Stripe, Historia. Señales para y ellos hacen ellos hacen, bueno, todo lo que es y ahí tienen los main laboratories y los científicos. Creo que de planta, en este caso como 8 o 10 científicos de planta y siempre están haciendo proyectos.
What about if we see how he goes?
Probably,
I mean, the only thing with that is that because those two are like 2% of mine, you know, like it's not a difficult thing to understand. The tour flow, the difficulty, it's not going to solve.
And they take groups. 20 to 30 people, that's not a problem. They take it for a hike. They have many options for a hike. Either like a 1 hour and a half, 2 hour hike, or a 4 hour hike.
I know, that's what I mean. It won't teach you anything if it's like those two. That's all.
They're all by Smithsonian. They're either scientists, which is great, because you don't know where you're going to get. Some science is different. You could be working in animals, you could be working in birds, mammals, whatever. Or you can get a guide that's been certified by Smithsonian that he knows what he's been doing for so many years. That takes you through the whole installation. You probably get to go through their laboratories. You might be able to go inside one of the labs if there's something going on. Let's say
she's away.
That's all being arranged by Stripe, directly by Stripe.
No, she was to business. She was to New Zealand last week. I spoke to her then. I couldn't remember that by heart, but he's probably right. Was doing something. Oh, I can't remember what it is, to be honest. But yeah.
And it's like.
Was it just this week or? But she's there next week.
There's like peninsulas.
All right.
All that, it's that monument, that natural monument that's under research.